Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. My name is Sandra, and I would like to share my newest Planners Anonymous subscription box with you. This is, I believe it's chapter 5 already. I think it's chapter 5. So I haven't opened anything. It looks like my box was damaged a little bit. You can see here, so I'm not going to be saving this box. And I think my mail was actually delivered to the wrong person because a normal person dropped it off. So I think it got misdelivered. Anyway, so what I did here, I opened my stickers because I was curious to see what they look like. But I'm going to take everything out of the pouches and unwrap everything, and then I will be right back. I just wanted to call your attention to something that I said. My husband overheard me, and he's like, "What do you mean a normal person?" So I said a normal person delivered the package to my door, and in comparison, I meant not my mail person, like a regular everyday person like me. Okay, so anyway, we're going to start with the papers here. I usually get this out of the way first. So now, from what I understand, this chapter 5 is all about Alex and her psychologist or her therapist. So this is Elaine. This is the character for this kit, and this is her therapist. And so I found, number one, this kit goes really well with my binder for June, which is funny, but I'm doing a rainbow theme in my binder, so I feel like the essence of this kit won't really go with my month. Although if I was using these kits with my current binder, it would be the perfect month to use it. And so this kind of deals with all the feels, so a lot of the emotional aspects of Alex's life. And yeah, so this is a beautiful watercolor. I actually really like this. And if I was to use this, I would probably, instead of cutting it down the middle, which would like save the paper, I think I would actually cut off the sides and just use that main piece, because that is just really, really neat. And I like that a lot. I do kind of like abstract watercolors. So there's a blue paint splatter on the back of this one. And then the next one is this picture paper with all the pictures. This one, again, I'm not too fond of the whole picture idea. But I mean, it is what it is. It's crumpled paper here, and just kind of going through all of the pictures that Alex has. This has a green background. This one, I am in love with this picture. So again, because this, like the dandelion stalks, there happen to be kind of in the middle. So if I was to use this, I wouldn't cut it right down the middle, I don't think. I mean, I guess you could, because that still looks pretty if you use like that side of it. But I think I would just like cut off equal sides around the dandelions and keep it like that. I think that's how I would use it if I was to use it. It's so pretty. This is like one of my favorite pictures, and I like that, the city one too. So this is another kind of paint splatter one, but it's got like the dandelion seed flying away. And I forgot to mention the back of this one was gray. Okay, now the back of this one is blue again, and then you've got this one with all the umbrellas, and then people standing under it. That's kind of neat too. Okay, and then the back of that one is almost like this kind of pastel mustard color. All right, and then you have the vellum, which to me, okay, this is very depressing. It's like this gray, cloudy, rainy vellum, and that's it. I don't think I would honestly use it. I don't think I would. I understand where they're going with this kit, but I don't think I would use that one. And then this one's supposed to be rain. So this is the acetate. And then you simply put the rain on top of the vellum, and then it's supposed to look like rainy skies. But yeah, I can't see a future here where I would use those papers. But there's a few that I really enjoy. So that's the paper. As I think I mentioned this before, but how I store my kits is probably, it's different than how they came. I put the paper in the large one, and that's all I keep in that pouch, okay? Just the paper, so that I can store them a lot easier. And then everything else that I have goes in the middle pouch. Okay, so then for the art cards, so again, here's the difference. This one is more of a matte. The colors are a little bit darker, and then this is the shiny one. So again, the only reason for that is simply because they're both made from separate suppliers. These are the die cuts here. So it's got Elaine, and it's got like the couch and the hourglass. So it's all to do with the therapy sessions and stuff. I'm not going to go through those. Then you've got the stamps, and I really do like the dandelion seed one. Like that's probably one of my favorite things. It's actually funny because I do have a t-shirt that I just bought from Amazon that has like a dandelion with the little seeds floating away turning into birds. So it's kind of ironic. I think the grass is kind of cool. I like that as well. And it says bad days are just part of the story. So the thing I like about this kit is that it kind of keeps things real because, you know, everybody at some point in their life talks to somebody, right? Like you might go to a therapist, psychologist, whatever you have, but it does keep it real. So this is the washi card, or like I like to call it, a bookmark. Hold on to love. The sun is just, is it love? I don't know. Hold on to something. The sun is just behind the clouds. And this one's called Showers and Flowers. That's what this kit is called. Okay. And then you've got the quote cards. So I actually really enjoy these. So it says, I can see clearly now the rain has gone. And this is that little, like I really enjoy the pictures of these little things. And I would put these in a pocket on my dividers. I love this. I don't know what it is, but the more I'm looking at it, the more I love it. I also really like this one here. It's probably my favorite. Forgiveness starts from within. And despite the whole picture aspect of this one, I like this because of the dandelion on there. It says, I am learning self-acceptance, self-compassion, self-respect, self-worth, so I can love myself. This one, let's weather the weather together. I like this as well. This one is the journaling card. So what's a lesson you've learned about yourself through difficult times? And then this one, I love that, is share a quote that speaks to you during tough times and why. Yeah, I really actually like these journaling cards. At first I wasn't sure, but I really appreciate them. Okay, so then you've got your little notepad, and it's got the dandelions on here. I like also that it's got the graph paper on there. That's really nice. And then the sticky notes, looks like a little piece of paper. Okay, as for the washi tape, I'm going to swatch it again for you. So I've been putting it into my business journal here. This was chapter 1. This was chapter 2. Those are previous kits. This was chapter 3. This was chapter 4. And then we'll do chapter 5 right here. So I'm just going to do this really quickly here. These are the 5 washi tapes, and again, the word one is, it is what it is. It's just a 5 mil washi. This is the paint splatter one, and I like this one because it almost like it's the white is making it look like it's part of the dandelion seeds. I actually really like this one. This is the umbrella one, standing like up, looking down at the people, and you can see the people in there. And I don't love this one, but I do really like the colors. So I like this kind of bluey gray color here. And then I like how it goes into like the greeny yellow. Like it's really pretty. And of course this one, I love these ones. I love the fact that they're all flowers. I kind of wish I could, like in my planner, and I don't like to like limit myself this much, but I would like to do like planner kits where they're simply to do with, Planners Anonymous one year, and that's all I do for the entire year. That would be kind of cool. I don't know what Sammy and Michael have planned for next year, but I could always go back and reuse my kits and then use that for the whole month. Although I have used some of my stickers already, so we'll have to see. But yeah, I like these colors. I mean, I do like the color themes that they've got so far. I mean, that's really pretty, isn't it? But those are so pretty. We'll have to see what else they come up with. But yeah, that's it for the washi. And now for the stickers. This is like the best part, in my opinion. Okay, so these are the weeks. I guess we'll go through these first. I go through them. I do the back first. This is like the not washi sticker, pardon me. This is the sticker that you can rip up. So it's got little dandelion seeds all over. And then you have the one with the pictures and a few deco flower pieces. I do like that they use dandelions as the seed form, as the flower for the month. I think that's really pretty. Okay, then there's, oh, this is the first week. Okay, these are the weeks. Right, so this is like the first, or the deco for one of the weeks. Okay, so there's this one with all the pictures. I always go through them backwards, but I think it's supposed to tell a story. So you know what? let's do it the right way. So this is the one where they're in the city and they're walking, I think. They're walking, I don't know, I want to call it New York, but it looks more like San Francisco to me. Okay, so there's rain boots. I love that storm cloud. I think that's so cute. A really big raindrop. Okay, and then there's this one where she's on the couch, you know, she's feeling all the feels. She's a little sad. It's got the window. This makes me sad, and this creeps me out a little bit. That looks like a wolf, and it creeps me out because it's all black. And then you've got this one, the rain cloud. I do like the rain cloud. I mean, I know everything can't be happy and happy all the time, but this is a little depressing. Makes me a little sad. Okay, then there's this one where she's again laying on the couch or maybe taking medicine, and she's on the couch with ice cream, and then there's a doggy. So that one's okay. This says learning to dance in the rain. I love this. Love, love, love that. So beautiful. But you see how it tells a story where she's, you know, gradually like coming to acceptance. And at the end, this is the last one, she's journaling about it. So I think that's what it was meant to be like. Okay, so that was like the weeks, going through each of the weeks. And then the other side, I believe this is all decorative pages here. So again, you've got the one that you can rip up, but what I like to do is I put this in my Hobonichi. I can't rip this up because it's just too pretty. This one is speech bubbles and some little mini icons and the foldable planner sticker. Then the square boxes. Then the words. And then more, I guess these are like the titles, like the title headers. Okay, and then you've got this one, the minis. They're so cute. I love the colors involved in there. And then you've got the decorative page. I believe this is the clear one. So you've got all of the dandelion seeds there and a few of the actual dandelions. This is also a clear page. And again, same thing. It's a lot of the dandelions. Sunshine follows the rain. And then the first one here, and it's got the main character and then a picture frame. I love this. And I like that actually too. It says she helped me to see the sunshine through the storm clouds. Bad days are just part of the story, not the whole book. Okay, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick flip through of all of the products for Chapter 5 for Planners Anonymous. And if you enjoyed this little video, please give the video a thumbs up. If you are new or have not yet subscribed, I would love if you would do so. And click on the bell button to receive notifications when I upload new content. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, friends.